Naku, tinawagan ako ni Piolo. Tingnan mo, tinawagan niya ako. Ayaw mo maniwala. Wali ka, tingnan mo dali. O, diba? Diba si Piolo nga?
Best in Puyak Award.
Kung siya raw ang makakasabay mo sa biyahe, hindi mo iindahin ang matinding traffic. Guwapo kasi.
I don't care what people say about me. Only I know my story. Only I know what I've been through. I was born to be authentic and not to please everyone.
Kalapit talaga si Saboy.